Looking for the best lobster buffet in Singapore? Wondering where you can indulge in the finest and freshest seafood? Look no further. Welcome to a world where the culinary arts meet the finest seafood right here in the heart of Asia. Singapore, the Lion City, is renowned for its vibrant food scene, a melting pot of flavors where tradition meets innovation. Among the myriad of dining experiences it offers, the city's seafood buffets, particularly those featuring lobster, stand out as truly exceptional. In this video, we'll embark on a gastronomic journey, visiting the top 5 establishments known for their sublime lobster buffets. From the opulent Shangri-La Hotel to the chic Ritz-Carlton, and from the contemporary Conrad Centennial to the bustling Royal Plaza on Scots and the sophisticated Westin, we'll explore the best that Singapore has to offer. So, loosen your belt, whet your appetite, and get ready to dive into the world of succulent lobster buffets in the Lion City. Starting off our list is the Line at Shangri-La Hotel Singapore. Known for its exquisite buffet selections, the Line certainly does not disappoint when it comes to seafood, particularly lobster. With a spectacular spread that makes the most of this crustacean's versatility, you'll be spoilt for choice. You might find lobster bisques simmering away, lobster thermidor oozing with creamy goodness, or even a simple but delectable lobster salad. The chefs at the Line take pride in sourcing the freshest seafood, ensuring that every bite of lobster you take is packed with the taste of the ocean. But the lobster isn't the only star of the show. The Line's buffet caters to all seafood enthusiasts with a myriad of options, from succulent prawns to delicate scallops. And let's not forget the restaurant's reputation for quality, which is echoed in every dish. The Line's buffet is a seafood lover's paradise indeed. And next up, we have Colony at the Ritz-Carlton Millenia, Singapore. This place is an absolute treat for seafood lovers. The buffet here is a veritable seafood paradise, with an array of fresh catches that will make your mouth water. But the real star of the show is, without a doubt, the lobster. At Colony, the lobster dishes are prepared with a finesse that is second to none. Whether it's the lobster thermidor, the classic lobster bisque, or the succulent grilled lobster, each dish is a testament to the restaurant's commitment to quality and flavor. And it's not just about the food. The unique dining experience at Colony is also part of its charm. Imagine this. You're seated in a stylish, modern space, enjoying a feast of the freshest lobster dishes, all while being treated to the warm, attentive service that the Ritz-Carlton is renowned for. Sounds amazing, right? Colony will surely leave you wanting more with its exquisite lobster buffet. Moving on, we have Oscar's at Conrad Centennial, Singapore. This dining destination is a seafood lover's paradise, where the star of the show is undoubtedly the lobster. Oscar's takes pride in serving up a buffet spread that's brimming with the freshest catches of the day. You'll find lobster served in a variety of ways, from traditional steamed and grilled to inventive dishes like lobster bisque and lobster pasta. Each dish showcases the tender, sweet meat of the lobster, a testament to Oscar's commitment to quality. But it's not just about lobster at Oscar's. The restaurant also offers a wide range of other seafood delights. You can indulge in fresh oysters, succulent prawns, and a selection of locally inspired seafood dishes. The restaurant's dedication to freshness and quality, combined with its innovative approach to seafood, sets it apart in Singapore's dynamic culinary scene. Oscar's is a must-visit for any lobster enthusiast. Last but certainly not least, we have Carousel at Royal Plaza on Scots and the Westin, Singapore. Starting with Carousel, this internationally acclaimed buffet restaurant is a seafood lover's paradise. Carousel's seafood buffet is a gastronomic journey across the 7 seas. Their lobster offerings are a showstopper, with lobsters sourced from the best waters, cooked to perfection and served in a variety of ways. Whether you prefer your lobster grilled, steamed, or perhaps in a rich, creamy bisque, Carousel has got you covered. But the seafood extravaganza doesn't stop there. The buffet also features an array of other seafood delights, from succulent shrimps and crabs to fresh oysters and scallops. Carousel truly offers a seafood feast fit for a king. Now let's head over to the Westin, Singapore. Known for its elegant ambiance and top-notch service, the Westin Singapore's seafood buffet is nothing short of extraordinary. The star of the show, of course, is their lobster. Served in a variety of styles such as thermidor, bisque, and even lobster sushi rolls, the Westin ensures that every lobster lover's palate is catered to. But it's not just about the lobster. The buffet also offers a wide range of other seafood options. Think fresh sashimi, grilled prawns, and clam chowder. Each dish is crafted with utmost care, using the freshest ingredients to ensure that every bite you take is a burst of flavor. In addition to the fantastic food, Both Carousel and The Westin Singapore offer a wonderful dining atmosphere. Carousel's vibrant, bustling setting and The Westin's sophisticated, tranquil ambiance each provide a unique dining experience that complements their extraordinary seafood offerings. So whether you're a lobster fanatic or just a seafood enthusiast, Carousel at Royal Plaza on Scots and The Westin Singapore are two places you won't want to miss out on when finding the best lobster buffet in Singapore. Both Carousel and The Westin Singapore offer unforgettable lobster buffet experiences. So there you have it, the top 5 places in Singapore to satisfy your lobster cravings. We've journeyed through the culinary paradise of The Line at Shangri-La Hotel Singapore, savored the exquisite offerings at Colony of the Ritz-Carlton, Millennia Singapore, relished the delights at Oscar's at Conrad Centennial Singapore, and reveled in the seafood treasures at Carousel at Royal Plaza on Scots and The Westin Singapore. These establishments are known for their diverse seafood options, including the star of the show, the lobster, as part of their buffet spreads. But remember, it's always a good idea to check recent reviews, current offerings, and prices online, or contact these restaurants directly. This will ensure you get the most out of your dining experience. And don't forget to take into account any dietary preferences or restrictions you might have. Remember, the world is your lobster. Enjoy exploring these delectable dining destinations in Singapore.